So hello friends, welcome to another video by Python Coding. So in this video we are going to see how you can find the palindrome words in a sentence. So like here you can see I have a sentence, mom support me a lot lol. So as you can see, mom and lol are the palindromic words, so they are being displayed by the output. So let us see the code. So here simply I have defined a function with the name palindrome and I have passed the argument sentence here. And in the next line, what I have done is I have defined some of the symbols that can be used in a sentence, and I will just replace them with the double commas. Okay, so after that I have defined another variable palindrome, which is initially at an empty variable. And then what I am going to do is I will split the words. As you can see, I have used the function sentence.split. So I will split the words into different parts. And after splitting the sentence into different parts, what I will do is I will check how many words are palindrome. So for checking the palindrome, I have used the condition here. As you can see, this is the condition to check whether it is a palindrome or not. So after checking the palindrome, I will add all the palindromic words to my variable palindrome here, and then I will return the palindrome. In the next line, I have simply taken input from a user with the label enter a sentence, and in the last line, I am printing the palindrome sentence. So this is how the code is. So now let us run the code. So I will type a word and so I will type a sentence. Um, let us say the sentence is mom support me a lot lol. Okay. So after I run this, I will get mom and lol because these are my palindromes. Thank you.